Hi guys, we're taking a look at my new QUEENIKE leggings. So this is a black and silver pair with a medium to high rise. Super love that high rise. It just like really tucks everything in, smooths it out, which you always want with a legging. It's got flat lock stitching throughout the whole legging. I am rocking a size medium here for reference. I'm about 5'4", 5'3.5"-ish, and the length of them is perfect. Same with the stretch and fit. They are super cozy, plus they have pockets, so plenty of room for your keys or phone, and they're just super flattering looking. And here's a little look at the phone in pocket. You can see it sits super comfortably. If you are running or working out, it'll completely stay in place, and you have it on both sides, which is amazing. Also gives you a nice booty lift. As you can see, it's a perfect fit, and I just find that kind of pattern pairs well with a basic top up top. So super cute. I love the crop top with it because, again, like I said, they are a more high waist. Definitely check it out. They have it in a ton of other colors as well. Super love them. Plus the top I'm wearing is also by the same line. Check them out. QUEENIKE.